I welcome you back again to this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking and sharing the videos. Before we proceed in today's class, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so. Tap the notification bell beside the subscribe button after pressing the subscribe button to get notified anytime a new video is posted on this channel. Thank you so much. The human eye. The eye of human is an organ of sight. There are two eyes in man. Each of these is known as an eyeball. It is spherical in shape, found in the eye socket. This eye is suspended by 6 rectal muscles in the eye socket so that it can be moved freely without moving the head. The eye is made up of many parts. It is made of wall that has 3 layers. The outer layer is called the sclera. The middle layer is called the choroid, and the inner layer is the retina, where we have the photoreceptors, rod, and cones. The sclera maintains the eye bulginess and also protects it at the back, and in the front it is made into a transparent layer known as the cornea. The cornea in the front is protected by a thin layer called conjunctiva that comes from the eyelid. At the rear end of this sclera, we have the optic nerves connected, which leads to the brain for transmission of impulses to the optic lobe of the brain. The choroid is a pigmented layer that is well vascularized. It supplies nutrients to the eye. We have the iris. The iris is the colored layer of the eye when viewed in the front. It controls the amount of light that enters into the eye. The suspensory ligaments and ciliary muscles, they contract and relax to adjust the focal length of the lens during accommodation. Between the iris and the cornea is a space filled with aqueous humor, which is watery fluid. It maintains the spherical or the bulginess of the eye. The lens is a transparent or a translucent crystal gel that is biconvex in shape. Behind the lens is a much larger space that is filled with a viscous or a jelly fluid that is known as vitreous humor. It also maintains the shape of the eye. There is an opening in the middle of the iris. It's known as the pupil. It permits light into the eye. Don't forget that iris adjusts the amount of light that enters, but it is through the pupil that you have light enter into the eye. Now, the process of vision. How do we see? When light falls on an object, from the object the light is reflected to the eye. The light passes through first the cornea, then passes through the aqueous humor. The aqueous humor bends the light, make it narrower than it hits the cornea. The muscles of the iris are adjusted, and this in turn make the light to pass through the pupil. As it passes through the pupil, it becomes more narrower, or it bends more, and it hits the lens. When it hits this lens, the lens also refract the light. The lens also bends the light and make it to pass through the vitreous humor. As it passes through the vitreous humor, it is brought to focus on the retina. When this light focuses on a particular place known as yellow spot, fovea centralis, the image that is produced is sharper. On this retina, we have the photoreceptors, the cone and the rod. They are stimulated. When they are stimulated, this stimulus, this change, this light is converted into an impulse. When this light hits the retina, images are formed. You have these images inverted, they are real, they are diminished, and they are reversed. The formation of this image stimulates the photoreceptors on the retina, the rods and the cones. The rod are sensitive to black and white vision, function for vision in the night, while the cones are responsible for colored vision. They enable you to differentiate between colors. When these photoreceptors are stimulated, they convert or change this stimulus into an impulse, which then travels, or they are transmitted through the optic nerve to the brain, where they are interpreted, and you see the image as real, upright, and not diminished. This is the process of vision.
hope you have found today's class so interesting and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe. Press the subscribe button, tap the notification bell beside it to get notified anytime new videos are uploaded. Share with your friends, watch, like, and make your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.